Here are 10 things not to pack for a cruise and what to bring instead to save space in your luggage while still enjoying all the comforts you need for a fantastic cruise experience. Number 1. An iron or steamer. Irons and steamers are typically prohibited on cruise ships as they pose fire hazards. Instead, pack wrinkle release spray or use the ship's laundry service, which often includes pressing. Some ships also offer garment steamers for rent. Number 2. Coffee makers and kettles. Most cruise lines prohibit personal coffee makers and kettles due to safety concerns and power limitations. Instead, opt for a travel mug and visit the ship's coffee shop or buffet, which usually provides complimentary tea, coffee, and hot water. Number 3. Beach towels. Cruise lines typically provide beach and pool towels, so you don't need to bring your own. As an alternative, consider packing a quick dry towel for shore excursions, where a full-size beach towel might be cumbersome. Number 4. Hangers. Cruise cabins come with a limited number of hangers, and you might think you need more, but adding hangers takes up valuable luggage space. Instead, if you need extra hanging space, bring foldable or space-saving hangers. Alternatively, ask your cabin steward for extra hangers, as they're usually able to provide them. Number 5. Full-size toiletries. Full-size toiletries can take up a lot of luggage space, and most cabins are already stocked with basic shampoo, conditioner, and soap. As a substitute, travel-size toiletries or reusable containers for your preferred products are more space-efficient. If you need more specific items, bring smaller versions of your favorites. Number 6. Alcohol. Most cruise lines have strict rules against bringing alcohol on board, and bringing it may result in confiscation. Alternatively, bring a refillable water bottle to stay hydrated and enjoy the drinks available at the ship's bars. Some cruise lines allow 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult, so check your cruise line's policy if you want to bring wine. Number 7. Candles and incense. Open flames are strictly prohibited on cruise ships due to fire risk, so candles and incense are not allowed. Instead, pack a small battery-operated LED candle for ambience. For fragrance, bring a travel-sized room spray or sachets to keep your cabin fresh. Subscribe, like the video, and let's continue with the list. Number 8. Snacks. Most cruises provide ample food options around the clock, making snacks unnecessary. Snacks can also attract pests to your cabin. Alternatively, a small collapsible food container can be handy for taking food from the buffet or dining area if permitted, but remember that food is generally accessible throughout the ship. Number 9. Expensive jewelry. Valuables can easily get lost or attract unwanted attention. The ship's safe can hold some items, but it's better to avoid bringing expensive items altogether. As a substitute, bring only essential accessories and costume jewelry for a bit of flair without the risk. Simple, inexpensive items can add elegance to your outfits without worry. Number 10. Hairdryer. Most cruise cabins already come with a hairdryer, so bringing one is unnecessary and takes up valuable space. Instead, if you have specific styling needs, pack small travel hair straighteners or a curling iron within the allowed wattage. Or consider asking the ship's spa for styling services. Additional essentials to bring. Surge-protected power strip. Many cabins have limited outlets, so a power strip can help charge all your devices. Make sure it's cruise approved and doesn't have surge protection, as this type is prohibited on some ships. Refillable water bottles. Staying hydrated is essential, especially during excursions. A reusable bottle allows you to carry water from the ship, and many cruise lines have refill stations on board. Comment what you will pack for a cruise and unleash your wanderlust by watching our latest video. Cheers!